Good morning, how's it going guys? This is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is another baking from the garden. It is rhubarb ganache, rhubarb puff pastry. Check out the full video and see you soon again. Bye! So these are 9 stalks of rhubarb. We're just gonna remove the leaves and then thinly slice the rhubarb. So we're gonna bring this to boil with 1 cup of sugar to soften the rhubarb. So this is on medium heat until sugar melted and rhubarb softened. And you want to continue cooking or boiling until mushy. So this is 4 heaping tablespoons of cornstarch mixed in or dilute in 1/3 cup of water, and we're gonna thicken our rhubarb with this cornstarch solution. And it will thicken right away, and then we're gonna take this off of the heat and let it go to room temperature. This is 1 block of cream cheese and with 2 tablespoons of swerve. You can use regular sugar, it's up to you. My husband wants to use up his sweetener, so we're just gonna cream this. This is room temperature cream cheese, by the way. Now you're gonna remove about 1 tablespoon and put it into a clean bowl. We're gonna mix it with sour cream. So meanwhile, with the rest of the cream cheese, we're gonna add in our cooled rhubarb. And then mix it again until completely combine. For the reserve, 1 super large 1 tablespoon of cream cheese earlier. We mix it with 2 tablespoons of sour cream until completely combined, until it's creamy and mixed nicely. And then we're gonna spoon this into a Ziploc bag. I'll open the puff pastry, and when you open them, we're just gonna cut it into square. Now place a heaping tablespoon of filling in each center. Then pull end to end, and then we're gonna make like a parcel. It's a bit hard to pull that. So this end and that end attach in the center, just like that. Brush with beaten yolk and a little water. So this is only 1 yolk with a little water. And just pipe a dollop on each. It's up to you. It's just for flavoring, richer flavor. Gonna bake this on preheated 400 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes.